Hi, we're here to talk about the Carrera Trekseeker 1 18'6" off-road caravan. At the front of the van we have a checker plate powder-coated aluminium toolbox. On the right side of that is a slide-out generator hatch. To the front of the van we've optioned up this one with jerry can holders. Besides that, you've got two 9-kilo gas bottles, stone guard shield deflector, sidewinder jockey wheel, DO35 off-road hitch with proper handbrake. The caravan has a 6-inch drawbar and a 6-inch chassis rails. The van comes standard with Alco ESC electronic stability control, which is powered by a Red Anderson plug, also a 12-pin plug with all your other wiring, as well as a reverse camera cable. Tap on the drawbar. Also on this side we have a larger slide out for barbecue or any other storage. At the very top of the front of the caravan is an LED adjustable spotlight. In the front tunnel boot on the door side is a Dometic slide-out kitchen, which has a sink, hot water, and cold water, as well as a 3-burner cooktop with a chopping board as well, and storage below that. And as you can see at the front of the kitchen is a stubby holder and a bottle opener. On the door side of the van you have a roll-out awning, as well as a fold-out picnic table which has 2 locks on it. We have 2 external speakers, as well as TV points for outside if you wish to bring the TV, with TV, antenna, 12-volt power, dual USB chargers, as well as another 10 amp hour power outlet. Below the door you have an entry fold-out step, as well as a grab handle LED light upon entry. At the rear of the van up the top you've got an LED adjustable spotlight, as well as the reverse camera, and it also comes with a monitor for your car. To the left of that you have the outdoor shower, which is hot and cold, 2 LED stop and indicator lights at the rear, a 3-neck bumper bar is standard, as well as an original alloy wheel spare. The Trekseeker 1 18'6" comes standard with the Oztrekker heavy-duty off-road suspension, which is a trail arm independent suspension, dual shockers per wheel, and heavy-duty coil. At the rear of the van we have the grey water tank, which is 100 litres, protected by checker plate, as well as the plumbing protected by corrugated plastic. Trekseeker 1 comes standard with the Swift 28-litre hot water unit, which runs on gas and 240-volt power, has a stainless steel boiler, tank, no need for an anode. On the right side of the van we have the toilet cassette, which is obviously removable. The caravan has Dometic aluminium framed windows, as well as a light on this side of the van as well. 15 power amp inlet to the left of the window. 2 water fillers, as well as a battery box welded to the chassis rails of the caravan, which houses our 2 120 amp hour deep cycle AGM batteries. Caravan comes standard with 2 95-litre tanks, which are protected by thick aluminium checker plate. On the right side of the van is our tunnel boot compartment. This van has actually been spec'd up with a Dometic slide-out kitchen, so that you've got a reduced space with the divider. As well, you've got a Voltec battery charger in this compartment, as well as the brake safe unit. The van comes standard with a jack, stabilizer leg winder, and also awning rod, and your pin for your DO35. The entry door has a stainless steel mesh fly screen door, as well as a roller blind. Upon entry to the van you have a grab handle and magazine pouch up the top. We're now inside the van. We'll describe all the features of the van. As you can see up the front of the van, you have an island bed with wardrobes on either side, under bed storage, which this particular van has been upgraded with a Truma gas ducted heater. Above the bed we have a Sirocco fan that services the bedroom and also the seating area. It's fully adjustable. It has 3 speeds. Also has a night timer. And just in front of that is the Dometic wind-up hatch, which also has fly screen and block out, LED lighting, and also a night light. And to the right of the hatch, we have the pressure hatch, which is used when you're going down dirt roads to pressurize the actual van to minimize dust entry into the van. Above the bed, we have padding. To the right and on either side, you have a map light, which has also a night light mode. Deep wardrobes, which is hanging, and also a shelf above that. Double PowerPoint, side entry niche to access the wardrobe. On the little side tables, you have wireless phone chargers, also doubles as a USB charger. On the roof of the van, you've got a wind-up digital TV antenna, which is fully adjustable. And to the left of that, you've got the actual TV bracket, which is adjustable for the dinette area and also the bed area. And to the right of that, you've got your antenna booster, power adapter as well. In the kitchen, you have 3 overhead cupboards. Below that, you've got the range hood, which is digital, has 2 fan settings, also an LED light. Above the sink, you've got an LED strip light underneath to illuminate the sink area. You've got power points on either side of the window, which has block out and fly screen. All the windows have block out and fly screen. This van has been optioned up with an inverter and has a power point in the kitchen, so you're able to utilize 240 volt appliances. In the kitchen, we have a deep bowl stainless steel sink with a flick mixer that also doubles as a water filter. To the left of the sink, we have the cooktop, which has a recessed cooktop, 3 gas burner, and also an electric 240 hot plate. The grill is below the cooktop, and below the cooktop is the pot drawer. To the left of the pot drawer, we have a slide out pantry. In the cafe dinette area, we have headrests on the top of the dinette, also fold up, kick up footrests, so you can actually lie down on the cafe dinette. You've got fold out table, and below the fold out trifold table, you've got some storage cupboards underneath, as well as 2 doors on the base of the dinette for storage. Below the seating area is a storage area, and also all our vans come standard with a carbon monoxide detector. At the dinette, you've got 2 map reading lights, which also has 2 USB chargers at the base of the map light, a double power point above the trifold out table, as well as a window. And above that, you have 3 doors, which are storage areas. One is your main area for your electronics, being the solar controller, the battery protector, fuse box area, digital water tank meters, as well as the optional inverter panel. Below that, you have the Bluetooth stereo, which also has USB, internal and external speakers. You have your main switch and then your water pump, as well as your hot water for gas and hot water electricity switches in the panel. The Dometic inverter model IBIS 4 air conditioner has a very quiet operation and also is recirculating, so you can use it as a heater if you wish. In the entry, we also have another roof hatch that has block out and fly screen. You have a microwave oven, which is located above the fridge, as well as a 188 litre Dometic 3-way fridge. In the ensuite area, we have 2 overhead cupboards for storage, which have a light located below, which illuminates the bench top. On the bench top, we have a vanity, and to the right of the vanity, we have a top loader, maximum size of 3.5 kilo wash machine. To the left of the washing machine, we have 4 cupboards for storage, as well as an area where we can house towels. And above that, we have a linen press, which has 3 shelves for storage. Above the toilet area, we have a ceiling hatch, which is 2-speed. Also, we have a window. On the door, we have a towel rail. The Dometic toilet has a swivel base, as well as ceramic bowl, soft closed lid, 4 warning sensors, and the flush button. And to the left of that, we have a toilet roll holder. In the shower area, the shower is 1 piece from floor right to the ceiling, which then has a light, which is switchable, flick mixer, as well as another roof hatch that has a 2-speed fan. And thanks for watching the Carrera Trekseeker 18'6" walk around